Hello, everybody. Tommy and I drove this morning to a great kibbutz called near This kibbutz has done a lot. I want you to introduce to you David Krupman. He oversees the Isaiah Project. Isaiah Project oversaw all of this. We helped some, but it's mostly David Krupman and the Isaiah Project. So I want to say thank you to Zion's Bridge, but also David, I want to thank you and Yaniv for what you guys do.
Well, first of all, Yaniv, you should just know he's in charge of the tourism component of Kibbutz near When October 7th happened, thank God the security internal squad ran to defend the kibbutz, preventing many of the terrorists from coming in. If the terrorists would have came in, then Sderot, which is across the street from near would have been overwhelmed with more terrorists that they were already handling at that particular point in time. The probably most famous news piece for Sderot is that we actually had to blow up the police station in Sderot because of too many terrorists inside. So imagine if terrorists were coming through here, then overwhelming Sderot even more. So because of the expertise of the security team within this kibbutz, they prevent dozens of terrorists from coming in, not only here, but overtaking Sderot as well. Obviously, the army came in here, and they stayed here till approximately around May time for defending on the front lines, because we're really near the Gaza border within this kibbutz. The terrorists thought, based upon an old map, that they were inside the kibbutz, and they were roaming around, and then, thank God for the woman on the security team, they alerted the rest, and the rest is all in the newspapers. But when Pastor Coleman and I came to this place with the rebuilding division of the army, at that time we met with Dorod, and this place was in disarray. And this is the central hub for the bed and breakfast for the kibbutz. So for our initiatives that we're doing together is to help the kibbutz and get back to economic stability. And this is one of the ways we were able to help to do all these renovations. So they brought the help, the labor, and we donated the material. Now, obviously you're seeing mattresses, but the mattresses are for the
soldiers right now.
For the soldiers right now in the rooms.
The rooms are after the war that we can start accepting visitors from all over.
So right now they're getting back to the concept being a bed and breakfast in the first place, which is originally what this kibbutz was about for this component of the kibbutz. So it is our honor, really, to work with Zion's Bridge and all your donors out there that had really sewn into this. We did this in the memory of Anav, your son. We thought this is a way for people who will come here to rebuild the kibbutz in the name of your son. And we can't thank Yendi even more, really, for what he has done.
Thank you more than you make this place amazing with no time.
You made it amazing.
Thank you.
So we want to thank everybody, the Isaiah Project's donors as well, because this was a partnership, as it should be, Jews and Christians working together to help rebuild the kibbutzim most affected and devastated on October 7th and bring them back to economic stability. So thank you very much, Pastor Coleman, and blessings from Israel, and keep us in your prayers.